Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Hey, beautiful creatives. Today I'm walking you through how I crafted these mixed media canvas journal covers using one of my favorite shortcut techniques, the integrated spine method. No stitching, no scoreboard, and no three-piece cardboard juggling act. Instead, I'm cutting one continuous piece and eyeballing the folds with my trimmer. Not only is it faster, it gives the journal way more durability. And I'm teasing a few tricks I'll dive into series 2, so stay tuned if you love working with mixed media sprays and canvas. Let's talk about the spine real quick. You know how most tutorials tell you to use 3 pieces of chipboard and tape them together with a gap. That's cool, but it doesn't work for me. I like to just eyeball it with my trimmer and cut enough length for the side flaps. And then I use double-sided tape on both sides of the flap and 3-in-1 glue, and this is how I will attach the front cover and the back cover. And here's a mistake. I thought both flowers were upright, but turns out one is totally sideways. Tell me I'm not the only one that does this. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope this inspires you to play with canvas, sprays, and build your own sturdy covers without overcomplicating the process. In Series 2, I'll show you how I prep, the signatures, and a couple of wicked awesome techniques that might surprise you. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe and check out Ko-fi for more creative goodies. Take care.